Today, home security from the palm of your hand. I'm going to show you how to make your home more safe, more secure. Plus, you may be able to score one of these for free. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. Welcome to my home where unfortunately I have security concerns like so many of you. If you've never seen me before, I unbox all of the top tech and lifestyle items and I give everything that I can away for free to you guys. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you get hooked up. Also, all the items I feature are in the video description box right under me if you expand that. I'm constantly on the road and I've developed a lot of home security concerns. What about you guys? I'm sure this has happened. You're not at your home and you're wondering what's going on outside it or in it. For me, I've had packages stolen, I've had potential intruders, I've had people looking through windows, and I figured I would try one of the top-rated home security systems that doesn't have any monthly fees that you can control from your smartphone. I'm going to show you how this works, and if you're ready, let's unbox this together. The night vision camera, beautiful, and that pan and tilt functionality, absolutely awesome. You can actually control and get an almost 360-degree view of your home or outside or whatever it is you're monitoring. And while you're outside your home, these are obviously a great theft deterrent as well. And before you get inside your home, you're key to arming, disarming, or signaling a panic alarm. Very small, keychain carry, and small enough to fit into the palm of my hand. The brains behind the unit wirelessly connects all of the items I'm showing you. All you need to do is plug this into a router and a power source, and then it links all of the items that come pre-programmed out of the box. Those components include the window sensor, door sensor, and you get two of these, which you can put anywhere in your home. Very easy to install. In the event of an intrusion or an entry, this notifies the base what's going on. In the event someone comes through a window or a door that's not protected, an infrared motion sensor is your best friend. Really happy to see this included in the kit. This can detect movement for up to 1,000 square feet of coverage area in your home. The smart outlet's absolutely awesome. You can control your lights, make it look like you're home when you're not, but more importantly, when you arm the system using one of the keychains I showed you, that will automatically turn your lights on for you. This is worth 40 or 50 bucks on its own, and you get two included in the kit, which I love. Now this is a completely wireless system. The only component that needs to be connected are the brains of the operation. This comes with a power adapter right here. That gets plugged in. And then this also needs to get plugged into your router, your Wi-Fi extender. Just plug this in, the Ethernet cable is included, and then you're good to go. Whether someone trips the alarm or you trigger the panic alarm using the keychain, as you can hear, this is really loud. Enough to scare off a potential intruder, burglars. There you go. So I have the camera hooked up and look, you can see it's able to pick out car movement, very good pictures. This is 1080p resolution. This also has night vision, but I should mention that this is 5 o'clock in the evening on a winter day in Toronto and the sun is gone. It's going to be dark very soon. You can see the detail that this camera can still make out. You have the pan and tilt functionality, and you can of course watch your home and the outside from your smartphone. Now it's about 5 p.m., no sunlight, sun's almost down, we're in Toronto. This is not a real intruder, we're staging this for you. But you can see that I can make out that there is someone at my door with their hat over their face. But just to give you an idea of the definition on the camera, you can make out a North Face logo on this potential intruder's coat. So if there was someone at your door, someone stealing your packages, you get a push alert when that happens. And you're gonna see in a moment, we're going to be able to actually catch the detail of a car going down a street. The movement capture on a person is great, and then you can see the car actually quite far off in the distance, now about to turn down the street. Here we go. See, there's the car. Now, a reminder, if you do want to take a look at the system that I found, which is on sale right now, just expand that video description box. But one really lucky person, I hope that's you, you're going to get this for free. Using TubeBuddy's random selection tool, and this is how I find who's commented in the last 6 months and who's watching. If you hear your name called, here you go. Our very lucky winner for today is Alexandria. She wants to know when's the best time to buy a laptop. Oh, it's going to be a few more months. Big deals coming up in May. But more importantly, you just won this for free. So with all the money you save on this, you could put that toward a laptop. Awesome. Go you. All right. Now, if you've just missed out on this giveaway, or you make sure you win future items, and more importantly, so we can reunite, so you know when I upload, so we can save money together, there is a very easy way to get subscribed. Click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, I've got a demo up there. And if you want to see that last big roundup of deals I did, I've got them. They're over here.